Welcome you all to my channel. Today RHCSA question is how to configure YUM DNF client-side repository using the following URL. Let's start. To resolve this question accurately in our home lab, we need to configure a few things in our base system. Watch my steps. Login to root user. Change the host name as per our question. server.example.com. Now install the HTTP or web server. Create a directory under var www html path. Check active all mount point by lsblk command. We have created this mount point for our YUM or DNF server in our previous tutorial. Now unmount this mount point. Check again. OK, done. Copy the path of our newly created directory. Now open and edit the etc FSTAB file to make our newly created directory as a persistent mount point. Watch attentively. Type this command to mount all mount point according to FSTAB entry. Done. It has been mounted successfully. OK. Now time to edit our YUM or DNF repository configuration file. We already have created this configuration in our previous tutorial. Now we need to change only the base URL path. Watch attentively. Type YUM clean all. YUM repo list. OK, done. Now time to check firewall status. Firewall is running. Check firewall list. Nothing has been configured yet. Type this command to know present active zone of firewall. Public is our present active firewall zone. Now type this command to change the firewall zone as libvirt. Success. Okay. Now check default zone. Check active zone. Okay. Firewall zone has been successfully set to libvirt zone. Now access the HTTP service through firewall. Success. Reload the firewall service to instant implement the rule. Success. Now check the list to view all active services. HTTP service has been active now. Open desktop VM by RHT vmctl view desktop command. Before I log into the desktop VM, I like to copy YUM repository file to desktop VM from base system through scp command. It will help to save our few times when we will configure YUM repository on VM. Type yes. Type root password of desktop VM. OK. Now start the HTTP daemon service. Enable the service persistently. Check the status of service. Is running. Okay. Base system configuration has been done successfully. Now time to configure VM. This is our desktop VM. Click on activities. Click on Firefox web browser. Check firewall status. Is active and running. Now through the web browser, I am going to check the accessibility of repository files. Okay, we are able to access the repository mount point of base system. We can connect our base system through the IP, but as per question, we have to configure YUM or DNF client through name instead of IP address. That's why we need to add an entry in etc host file. Type the IP of base system. Press tab key. Type the name of base system. Save and exit. Now we are able to ping through system name or host name. Now time to edit the YUM repo configuration file. We have already copied that file as named station1.repo. Watch my steps attentively. For client-side YUM or DNF configuration, we need only these entries. Save and exit. Type YUM clean all. YUM repo list. Okay, we have done it successfully. Now time to test it. Watch my steps attentively. YUM and DNF both are running flawlessly. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to boost me up to create more knowledgeable videos. Thank you.